G'day guys, this is Dusty from Davcron. We're doing a little short video on how to tune your 433 brick style remote based on the fact that we get many calls a week and this should be able to help you guys do it in the field all on your own. Stage 1, we need to gain access to the receiver card. That lives on the inside of this lid. To get access to that, we need to remove these twist locks. We do all four and then the lid should pop forward. And where we want to be working is right here. Before we get started, we need to remove the front cover off the remote to gain access to the transmitter card. That's simply done by removing these 4 screws. Which will give us access to the transmitter card. Once you've removed the lid on your 433 brick remote and you've gained access to the receiver card on the inside of the cab control unit, you can start the tuning process. With your ignition key in the on position and your remote outside the cradle, I need you to short out your code change pins for 5 seconds, labeled CC. Step 2, I need to add the giggling cable to the code change pins on the remote and the receiver card. On the receiver card, it's here, and on the remote, the coding socket is here. If I have a good connection, the LED should come on the top of the remote. Step 3, with everything hooked up correctly, if we press and hold mix and discharge at the same time, the LED in the top of our remote should flash 3 times and then go out. Before reassembling your remote and your cab control unit, it's a good idea to press all your buttons on your remote and make sure your relays are clicking and the cab control is doing everything you want.